From ActionableOps, here is what Hermes actually is. Hermes is an AI agent, a program that reads your instructions, picks its own steps, and finishes tasks without you watching. 3 things make Hermes different. It lives on your machine, not on someone else's website. It has tools for files, the web, code, and messages, and you own it. Your data stays on your computer. Hermes runs in a terminal, a plain text window where you type commands. Think of it like texting your computer instead of tapping icons. It is fast, scriptable, and the standard tool for developers. You pick the brain, the company whose language model does the thinking. Hermes supports over 30 providers, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, and xAI. You can also run a local model with Ollama or LM Studio. The point is this: an assistant that lives where your work lives, runs on the tool you choose, and answers with the model you pick. That is Hermes, built by Nous Research. For more Hermes how-tos, go to ActionableOps.com.